Practical tips to cultivate discipline through daily routines. Establish a morning ritual that includes meditation, journaling, or exercise to start your day intentionally. Use time-blocking techniques to allocate specific hours for tasks, enhancing focus and productivity. Set clear, achievable goals each week to create a roadmap for your progress and maintain motivation. Incorporate regular breaks during work to refresh your mind and prevent burnout, boosting overall discipline. End your day with a reflection practice, evaluating what went well and areas for improvement to grow. Implement these strategies for a more disciplined life. Follow Facts4U for more content.